Ready to turn your online presence into a cash-generating machine? Let's unlock the secrets of the Temu affiliate program. First, head over to Temu's website and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Look for the affiliate program link. It's usually located in the footer under About Temu. Click the link and you'll be taken to the affiliate program page where you will click the sign up button. Fill out the application form with your accurate information, including your website or social media links and your payment details. Now that you're approved, log into your affiliate dashboard. Here, you'll find your unique affiliate links. Temu offers links for specific products or entire categories, so choose what best suits your audience. Time to promote. Share your affiliate links on your social media platforms, blog, or even in email newsletters. Be sure to write engaging content that highlights the benefits of the products you're promoting. Keep a close eye on your affiliate dashboard to track your clicks, conversions, and earnings. This data will help you optimize your campaigns and focus on what's working best. Creating high-quality, engaging content is key. Use attractive product images or videos. Write detailed reviews, how-to guides, or comparison posts to attract potential customers. Understanding Temu's commission structure is crucial. Familiarize yourself with the commission rates for different product categories so you can focus your efforts on the most profitable niches. Experiment with different marketing channels to reach a wider audience. Don't be afraid to try new strategies and adapt your approach based on your results. That's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to kickstart your journey with the Temu affiliate program. Start promoting, track your progress, and watch your earnings grow. Good luck.